Today's lesson is an introduction to area and how to find area or estimate the area depending on your shape or your figure. This is the new vocabulary that we're going to be covering during this topic. Read these words with me. Area. An area is the number of square units needed to cover a region, or the number of square units inside the shape is the area of the shape. Well, what is a square unit? Read it with me, please. A square unit is a square with sides that are each 1 unit long. Each square on a grid is 1 square unit. We're going to be using square units to find the area of the shapes. Before we get started on area, let's review what we learned last week. We learned how to find the perimeter of a shape. Remember, perimeter is the measurement around the shape. And we're going to be doing area, which is how to measure the square units inside a shape. You have a copy of these two shapes. We are going to pause and let you have some time to work with your group to find the area of the rectangle and the circle. Now that you've had a time to work as a group to find the area of the square and the circle, let's check it together. So if you were finding the area of the square, you would count the units inside, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the area of the square is 12. The circle is a little harder. I'm going to have to count the full squares and estimate the partial squares like this. This one is a full square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and that's about all I have of full squares. So I'm going to write 14 here so I don't forget. Then I'm going to look at the partial squares and be like, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this one right here, this little piece makes up for this, that's 4. I'm going to say this is 5, these two are 6, and 7, 8. Now this is not an exact number, this is an estimate. So I'm estimating that 14 of the full squares plus 8 that I estimated, I'm going to add that together and I get the estimated area. 4 plus 8 is 12, carry the 1, and that gives me 2. Oops. Let's go back to this. That gives me 2. So the area, estimated area, is 22. When I have a shape with all straight sides, like the one we have here, it's easy to find the area. All I have to do is to count the number of square units that are shaded. We're going to do that really quick together. I'm going to make tick marks in the squares so that I don't miscount. Count with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So the area of this is 48 square units. Square units. For this shape, because the sides are not all straight, I'm going to have to estimate again, which means I'm going to count the full square units, and then I'm going to estimate the partial units. Let's do that quickly together. I'm going to say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and I'm 23. So we know we have 23 full square units. Now we need to estimate the partial ones. Okay, so we're going to look at the pieces we have left and see which ones we think could be a whole square unit. These ones are so close to being a square unit that I'm going to just count them as full square units. Whoops, not that one, this one. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are really close to being square units. Now we're going to put some of the other pieces together to estimate another square unit. So we have 6. We'll put those ones together for 7. We're going to put this one and this one together for 8, 9, 10, put these two together for 11, and this one for 12. This is not an exact count, but it is an estimate. We're going to add our 23 full squares units together with our 12 estimated square units. So 3 plus 2 is 5, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So our estimated area of this oval is about 35 square units. Now you know how to find the area of a covered region. If you have any questions, review the video. Let's practice.